Hello people, let's prepare Goan style pudding. Take a container, in that place 2 eggs, then pour milk, and powdered sugar. Mix it well with the help of whisker. Take another container, add little sugar and water and heat it till it caramelizes. Then pour it in a container, let it cool and then pour pudding mixture and steam it. Let it cool at room temperature and then freeze it and then demold it and decorate it with sprinkles. And it's ready. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, then comment below, share it with your friends, and if you are new, then subscribe.